dear students of class 5, with a new topic I am presenting for you, that is today's topic, dramatic nature. So why this topic has been named as dramatic nature? Because nature, as we know, it's beautiful, it is having various types of different colors, but as life exists on earth, even we do something that affects nature, and as a result, nature even shows its effect in the inverse manner, right? So sometimes some disaster happens which is not at all happy or good for human being, but it's a real fact which we have to and we have accepted every moment of time. Till today date also, we are having lots of natural disasters about in our surrounding also, which we can go through our news, right? So here, question number A, the natural world is an exciting stage for some spectacular events. Some are disasters, while others are simply surprising. Sometimes it surprises us. So complete this open crossword about disasters, testing and using the clues. So already some clues has been given and it is in across and down form. So let us first complete the across part and then after I will go for the down part. So I will be writing your answers in the block letters so that you can complete it in your box in a block. Okay? So the first clue, let us see, it is this word comes from the Roman god of fire. Hawaii, Iceland and Mount Fuji in Japan are examples of this occurrence. So we know these Japan and Mount Fuji is the place where lots of incidents or volcano bursting. Yes, it's the place where there is volcano. So it's also a natural disaster. So I am writing the first one, that is volcano. Okay. Now next clue. Japan is a country in which this disaster is very common. So many buildings in Japan are built in such a manner that they could not collapse when it occurs. So during which disaster the buildings collapse? It's naturally earthquake. It's a very common problem in Japan. Okay, so let us complete the word, that is earthquake. Next comes number 4. So let's go for the fourth point and for the fourth clue. This natural disaster occurs in the ocean. It is characterized by strong winds, in the center of which it is a clear, calm region called the eye. And it is known as, that is here in fourth section you will write, that is cyclone. It's cyclone. Next comes number 6. This is a rapid spinning tube. It's a spinning tube of air, sometimes called a twister. It is composed of the fastest wind on earth, taking many shapes and sizes. And it is known as, which is going to be in the 6th column, that is tornado. Okay, so it's tornado. Next comes number 8. That is the last one on the across part, and this is a kind of strong storm which most often forms in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. Its name has been derived from a Japanese word which means great wind. In Japanese, it is known as great wind, and this is the 8th one, which is known as typhoon. I will go for the downwards part. Let's start with the down part. Here you are getting number 2, 5, 6 and 7. So let's start with the clue of number 2. This permanent occurrence appears as a bright flash in the sky, and it is usually followed by a clap or rumble of thunder. So what is that? Lightning. Okay, so it is lightning. Next comes number 5. So this is another one. This calamity is a result of very little water in the atmosphere causing little or no rain. If it lasts for a long time, it can cause famine or severe food shortage, and it is known as drought. Okay, so let's go for the 5th one, that is drought over here. Okay. Next comes number 6, and number 6 is the name of this huge wave ball comes from the Japanese word meaning harbor wave. In December 2004, this disaster wave uncovered the lost city of Mahabalipuram in Indian Ocean. So, do you remember that disaster? Yes, it is tsunami. Next comes number 7. An overflow of water from rivers, lakes or excess rain can result in this condition. To stay safe during this calamity, one should go to the highest ground or floor possible. As high as you can, you should go up. So this is the situation of flood. Okay, so students, here it was question number 8, where you have completed lots of names of disasters in the across form and in the down form with the help of the clues which has been given in our book. Now we are going to do question number B, that is the matching. These disasters can be measured with some instruments, and what are the names of those instruments? Let us find out that one. So in question number B, here comes natural disasters are measured by using special instruments or scales. Match these common scales with the phenomena that they are used to measure. So let's see. Number 1 is deep ocean assessment and reporting, that is known as DART, and DART is being measured for tsunami. Okay, so it should be 1 matched with B. Next comes number 2, that is Beaufort scale, and it is being used to match for tropical cyclone speed of wind. So to measure the cyclone and the speed of the wind of the cyclone, this scale is being measured, which is known as Beaufort scale. Next comes, that is Richter scale, and Richter scale is used for earthquake density. So 2 is being matched with C and 3 is being matched with E. Okay, so these are some of the instruments with the help of which we can measure these disasters, how much it has damaged or how much it is going to damage the nature and the human life. Till this, I am going to conclude my class over here today, and I will be present before you with the next class, new class, next Saturday. Till that time, be healthy, take care of